Right, okay. First of all, I just want to say well done, guys. You was absolutely amazing tonight, each and every one of them. We're going to do things a little differently tonight. So rather than we go to each individual judge, we're just going to go to Joey for the results at the moment, okay? Joe.
Right, yeah. So obviously, I think first of all, I think everyone knows in the room that we've seen a lot of push and development here tonight, right? We've seen a lot of people really come to life as who they are as artists. Even though they've got their specific themes, we've seen a lot of work. But in my opinion, there's been a few performances that need work, all right? There is still people that need to work. And guys, honestly, I need to say it, like, we've got one more theme next week, one more theme. And this isn't the time for just guessing song choices or last minute choices or whatever you're all doing, right? This needs to be as bang on as possible because people have got to leave. Yeah, and this was difficult tonight. And I'll be honest, again, like I said it, I think it was last week or the week before, but if it was me, there'd probably be about 4 people I'd send home tonight, easily on my own. I'd send 4 people home. That's me just being honest, right? That's how I feel, right? But from what we've seen, we are going to put you all through, all right, to next week's theme. But this is pushed, squeezed tight. There are people 100% leaving us next week. This is no more chances now, guys. This is the time to change. This is the time to up your games. I appreciate people taking risks and that and everything. This is a process to learn, but we've got to narrow it down now. We're coming up to the final stages of this soon after next week. Next week is the final theme. There's no more themes after that. It gets a bit tougher because the rounds after that will be 2 choices each. Not 1 song a week, it'll be 2 songs. So it does get a bit more work. So I need you all to be mentally prepared for this because after next week, there'll be 2 songs asked of you from there on out for the final 3 stages, right? So I need you to be alert on this, that you will be doing more than 1. So you won't be practicing 1 a week, you'll be practicing 2, all right? So please prepare yourselves. Other than that, I want to say to you all, like, literally, even though, like, that's one of the reasons I think we've just grouped on this tonight to put everyone through, is because even with the performances that maybe weren't up to par, there's still growth. There has still been growth, we've seen it now. But literally, guys, you've got to take advantage of messaging us for things. If you're a bit wary of your song choice, send us a clip. Send us a clip of it. Send us you singing it so we can give you some advice on it to see if it works. Don't take any more risks. Go for it. Alright? That's what you need to do. You need to make sure you bang on now, alright? So you're all through to the final theme next week. Alright? So you're all through to the next theme, but there will be people leaving next week, and even if I wanted to try and squeeze anything, I can't, alright? People have to go, alright? So we are going to give the themes now. Do you want to come over to us all for the themes?
You were horrible. Do you know what he told me? Do you know what you were horrible. I was sat with him. He said, right, just the heads up now, Sam, there are 6 people going. I've been stood here with palpitations. He didn't say it, but just how to say it, going, oh my god. And he's like, you're all going through, and I was like, oh.
I told you I'd have you back, didn't I?
You're a cow.
I'll always have you back.
Zoe, what's your themes for next week, babe?
Right, girls, so next week I want us to finish with a bang. So I've given you the theme of diva. So you need to make sure you pick the perfect song choice. Don't be scared to text me, because I swear none of you like speaking to me or something, because none of you want to speak to me. Don't be scared to text me. I will help as much as I can. Obviously you can message Kelly or Joe as well, but yeah, your theme is diva, so get your thinking hats on.
Thanks, Joe. Kelly, what's your theme?
Right, so I think we've learned how to strip the song back. We've learned how to put our emotion into it. We've learned how to be inspired by it. So now, I just want you to relax and have a little bit of fun. So I'm going to give you upbeat week. So I'd like you to take a song and just have something with a bit of a beat behind it, so you can really let loose and you can really just, like Zoe said, go out on a bang, you know. Are you okay? You look worried.
I'm fine.
Good, okay. You know that you can message me anyway, okay? And we'll sort something out. Don't panic about it, okay? So just have fun with it.
I got ideas.
You can do literally anything. You probably do.
Have you ever seen The Fifth Element?
Yeah. Look,
That-
do you love me all?
I'd love to see that. Is hard. That is
She
difficult.
messages me. She's in my
I know
So upbeat week, girls. We're going to have some fun.
Thanks, Kel. Joey, what's your theme?
So believe it or not, I haven't actually thought of a theme yet, right? Because I'm flying around like an headless chicken. But I just thought about it there and then. I'm actually going to do something a little bit different this time. And actually, tonight, I'm going to send you all your songs. I'm going to pick you all a song tonight. Alright? I'm going to pick you all a song, and I want to see, take it on. Don't be scared of it. If you have any problems, you message me, you say, Joe, it doesn't work, send me clips. But I would like to do that for 1 week. So please trust me, guys, right? I'm going to pick you all a song, I'm going to send you your choices in our group chat later, and I want you to see what you can do with it. You can do what you want with them, strip it back, speed it up, do whatever you want. But I'm going to take a bit of a risk here and just see what happens.
No more risks, you gotta be on it.
I'm taking the risk, and I'm pretty confident I pick really well. So I'm going to pick the songs, guys, right? And well, I know I don't want to sound cocky, but I think you'll smash them because I'm really good at picking songs for people. So we'll see what happens, alright? Other than that concludes theme week 3. Last theme next week, guys. Come out and bring it. You've got your themes now. Guys, I'll send you choices later. Girls, inbox any of us if you need to. And yeah, and that concludes the night.
I'll text a group chat later.
Okay, let's hear that.